one? Infocubes. So you are building a cube now using what? Characteristics, key figures, and what? Right. Now to build the cubes, where you have to go? Info providers. What is your info area? Create what? Info cube. Cube name. The cube name, okay? Create. Now the cube should contain one characteristic, one figure, one type. See? I already created the info objects, no? What is this called? See? Info object. So you have to assign one characteristic, one key figure, and one type. Then only we can create what? Info cube. So now I will do assignment, whatever I created. So further, what I have to click on? Info object, catalog. Characteristics. Following or not? Then you follow and okay. Navigations, video, okay. Together to me problem with yours. Okay. This already created now 7am C1 that I am associating with what? So I am bringing that one. This is my what? This is my what? So I am associating. See? That I associated here. Means that I map here. More confirmation, do the lab. Okay. Confirmation, okay. Just dragging, immediately do the lab, okay. Next key figures, I go, you have to. Now we have to select which catalog? Key figures. So we have what? Key figures. Back to what? What is mandatory? Time is already there, no dragging, right click. What is one? Info object. Let's say I am taking what? Which option? Cat. So I have one time, one characteristic, and one key figure. It's sufficient to prepare one info cube. So I am doing what? So what is created? What is created? Cube. Next. ODS. Because this also you need to. again go to where? Catalogs, key figures, assign key figures to here data fields. Which fields? I'll tell you. I'll give the notes. So, characteristic to what here? Which fields? Fields. And in the data fields itself or key fields itself, you can assign what? Type. Info object, which are direct. Again what? So one characteristic, one calendar, one what? If it is Infocube, characteristics are given to where? Key figures are given to what? Key figures. And if it is ODS, characteristics are mapped to which fields? Key fields. Key figures are mapped to which fields? Time you can map to any of this or anywhere you can. But here time is always we are keeping there. This one. Infocube is of the characteristics eక్కడ map చేయాలి? Dimension. Key figures to key figures. Time should also map to what? Dimension. ODS characteristics to map to what? Key fields. Key figures to what? Data fields. Time we can map to anything. Back to it. Multi-dimensional analysis, that is two-dimensional analysis. Multi-dimensional analysis. Next, multi-provider. What is multi-provider? Combination of any two info providers using what? Common dimension. Okay. And what is info? Combination of any things using what? Joins. Now we are creating what? Which one? Multi-provider. This is what Q and this is what ODS. Now I create what? Which one? Third one is what? Multi-provider. Multi-provider means it is a combination of I can use these two things what I created. Understood or not? Check underscore 7 AM. Following or not? Now I can select a Infocube and I can select what? ODS. What is the Infocube which just recently I created? The And what is the data storage integrator? Then I am combining one Infocube and what? One. Let's say from the Infocube I have a dimension. This dimension I am mapping to what? This multi-product dimension. Now where I have taken the dimension? From cube or ODS? And from here I have a key figure. This I am giving to multi-product key figure. Okay. And time I am mapping from again from cube. That's it. So I am using cube and ODS to build what? One. So from where I am taking characteristics? Cube or ODS? From where I am taking key figure? ODS. From where I am taking time? So that we have to specify to the system. So for that purpose, what is this one? Identify characteristics. Select it. So characteristics, from where I have taken? There is what? Which one? Time part. Okay. Characteristics where I have taken? Cube or ODS? Next is what? This where I have taken characteristic again from what? Cube kada, dimension. So I am specifying. I am saying that I have taken the time and characteristic from where? Key figure I have taken from where? ODS. That's what I have said. Sorry, key figures. Key figure is there in both Infocube and ODS, but I have taken from where? ODS. From where what you have taken, that you have specified. That is called assignment. So this key figure I am taking from ODS. This dimension I am taken from where? Infocube. This time also taken from where? So from Infocube I have taken what characteristic and time. From ODS I have taken what key figure and I created one. Clear? Now you have to activate. So
common means that we take characteristics from
yeah, because same characteristics is there from Infocube and ODS. You can take any common item from the both and you can give to what? It's a multi-product. So now multi-product is nothing but combination of two structures, any two structures. Okay, this structure and what? This structure. Okay, so I'm taking partially some attributes from this structure, some attributes from this structure to form what? Multi. Otherwise, if you are doing same two Infocubes are not going to take. So here you can take some characteristics. Here you can take C3, C4 and what? C1. These two will be what? Observed. Okay, now same Infocube like this. You can connect any two, one Infocube, one ODS, one Infocube to another Infocube, anything by using dimensions is called what? Multi-product. Okay, the multi-product symbol is like this. Okay. Now next is what? Info sets. Combination of any two info products using which option? Joins. Right click. What is one? Info set. What is I am creating? Create info set. I am starting with what? Either I can take one data store or one. I'm starting with what? What is the data store recently created? Start with surname OS, ODS. I have to select Infocube and I have to do what? Which operation? I already have which object? Data store. One ODS. Now you take what? One. Then you join. What is the Infocube recently created? What is the info area? Cube, some CUC. This one? Now you have to join with it. Joining is sufficient. What is the one we taken? This is the one we created. This is a short format. You can see how the joins are established. Okay, this is your join with calday with what? This calday. Okay, now this is what your info. Now you can use this Infocube in which environment? Which environment? BO, ODS in what? BO, Infoset in BO, multi-product in BO to create what? Reports and dashboards. So also you can directly use what? Even what? Info objects. Successfully activate. So what are the things we created? One, what? Infocube, ODS, multi-product and what? These are called as info providers. Okay, till here we are done. Tomorrow we will discuss how to install AI content and how to load the data from ERP to BW and how to create which reports. There will be questions of what? One more question, right? How to view SAP ERP tables and how to create what? Extracts. 10th question, I don't know how to use SAP ERP tables. Next question, 12th question, how to create extractors. 10th answer is 11th question, and how to use SAP ERP tables in BO. Next, 12th question, how to create extractors from SAP ERP and use in BO. Who will do all these things? Info area, info objects, who will do? BW consultant. This is not our job, okay? But we are learning like. Our job is to what? Use existing Infocube